A new week, a new Monday, and a new account. Today, I started off trading on this new account that I just bought with TopStep, and we started off with a loss, sadly, but I still think it was a good trade, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. Even though it was on a different currency than I usually take, it was still a nice trade, and I don't regret taking it. With that being said, if I had just stuck to NQ, I wouldn't have taken a trade and I wouldn't have gotten stopped out, and that would have just resulted in me not taking a trade today. Instead, I did take a trade and I lost one. Happens, but the trade looked really nice, so I took it. And yeah, I'm gonna show it to you guys now. Let's go. All right, here we are. This is NQ of the morning. Pretty strong opening here at 9:30. We have, of course, the new week opening gap here, pretty strong as well. So I was expecting it to move back into this NWOG as it did. We have the first presented here, but I wasn't here yet at the charts. I joined somewhere around here because I wasn't at home during the open, only came back later, which is good because I probably would have longed here, knowing myself. And you know, maybe would have taken profit, but then would have gotten stopped out. But then on the sell side, I would have very much liked to take this short here, which is very nice, at least to down here, but probably until the NWOG. Would have been very juicy, but wasn't there. Then we had another opportunity here, possibly. Also been nice to NWOG maybe, even though the stop loss would have been very high. But yeah, I joined somewhere around here, and NQ wasn't really doing anything spectacular. And then once we broke down here, NWOG was filled already, so that was kind of my sell plan for the day done for. So I wanted to see NQ move higher again, which it grinded up slowly, but it never showed any replacement. And after it broke this high, I was like, you know, what is ES doing here? And I took a look at ES and saw that it had displaced here, unlike NQ, and I entered off of it and got stopped immediately, like in 1 minute even, which is unfortunate, and it looks like a pretty bad trade if you see it in hindsight. But for me personally, it was a good trade. It was a good setup. There was nothing wrong with it. Just, you know, not NQ. And the problem is that here on ES, I didn't have the new week opening gap marked out, which would have shown me that there's still so much more room for ES to go lower, which probably would have prevented me from taking it. And the fact that we hit the first presented on this leg higher, which probably also got me a little bit more careful here after we sold off here. So all in all, a little bit of a shaky start to this new account, but from now on, I'm just gonna stick to NQ. And the setup itself was nice, but because I normally don't trade ES, I have no markups here. So yeah, that was a little bit wonky, but it's fine. I'm gonna come back stronger, and see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.